Hazrat Qasim bin Muhammad narrates that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, told him, she purchased pillow having pictures on it. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not enter, but he kept standing at the door. I discerned the signs of displeasure in his face, so I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I repent towards Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What sin have I committed? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, what's about that pillow? She says that she submitted, I have purchased it for you so that you may sit and recline on it. Thereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the people who make those pictures will be tormented on the resurrection day and will be asked, imbue life in them, whatever you have made. And further said, the angels do not enter a house in which there are pictures. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5181.